What in the name of high school football is going on here? Well, you may remember me mentioning this in a few of my other videos because they were going to start this project last year around this time and it got delayed until now. They are replacing the sewer lines all back behind our house. So that means they had to take out our back fence and put in this temporary one. And if you know from my other videos, this is actually our tree. Our property ends a little bit past that there, and they've got our internet all pulled up out of the ground. We've got some cable running above ground here. It's pretty interesting to think that pretty soon this video is actually going to be coming out through this cable and out into the world where you are watching it right now. Pretty fascinating. I love science. Anyway, so now we have this fence here. It's about 15 feet in from where our property normally ends. They have done quite a bit of taking down some trees down the way and shrubs all along here, and you know, we've all lost a bit of our privacy back here, but this is going to be going on all through the summer, and it comes up at least right next to where our compost pile is, and thankfully does not get into any of the food forest area. Should probably turn around this way so you can actually see it. So food forest is all on this side, and we are now starting to expand over this way too, and nothing to see there. That is a future video, so don't look at that. And luckily it doesn't get into the hugelkultur beds at all. It's right in between there. And if you saw my last video with all of our brassicas that were not doing well because I tried to hurry up their hardening off process, they're coming back quite well. So thankfully, that is good to see. They're all doing all right. The only thing that we are now cut off from is our blueberry bushes. And well, you can't see them, but they are down there somewhere. And that's okay because they're still very small. And I know they won't be producing any fruit for us this year. And at least I can still get the hose through there and give them some water. But anyway, this is definitely going to make things a bit challenging for trying to make videos this year. And well, they're starting this whole project way down at the other end of the street there. Try not to show too much of all of our neighbors' yards here. So they're completely digging up everything, replacing the sewers way down at the other end of the street, and they're making their way back this way. And so that means I'm just gonna have to try to do my videos in the evenings, on the weekends, and I know I haven't been putting out as much lately anyway, so it will be a little bit challenging and interesting, but that's what I have to do. So otherwise they're just driving back and forth with their heavy machinery. But you can see things are starting to take off here in the hugelkultur beds, so that is very exciting. And then starting to see things come back in the food forest and getting some other things going in these mounds here as well. So anyway, just a quick update for you, something different. And well, we'll see how much of a mess this becomes later this year. Thanks for watching. See you again soon.